A bird called the Martail Godwit has the longest non-stop flight, migratory flight of 11,500 kilometers. It flies from Alaska to New Zealand non-stop. Now, what does that mean? And takes 9 days and nights. I want you to put yourself in the data. What does it mean? What does it mean to fly non-stop 9 days and nights? It means the sun rises, the sun sets. The sun rises, the sun sets. The sun rises, the sun sets. The bird is flying. It means there is rainstorms, the bird is flying. It means there are snowstorms, the bird is flying. It means there are cities underneath, the bird is flying. It means there are oceans underneath, the bird is flying. It means there are deserts and forests underneath, the bird is flying. It means there is no food, no water. It doesn't eat, it doesn't drink, it doesn't sleep for 9 days and 9 nights. They have discovered that the brain of the bird, of this Martail Godwit, half the brain sleeps and half the brain is awake. And after a few hours, this half sleeps and this half is awake. They have no idea how. And remember, this is a small bird. This is not an albatross coasting on 14-foot wingspans. It's not taking advantage of thermals.